In a world where innovation knows no bounds, one name stands out as a shining beacon of creativity and perseverance: Thomas Edison. Born on February 1824 in Milan, Ohio, Edison's life was a testament to the power of human ingenuity, a journey that would take him from humble beginnings to international acclaim. As we delve into the fascinating story of this American icon, we will uncover the secrets behind his groundbreaking achievements, the obstacles he overcame, and the lasting impact he had on the world. The early years, a spark of curiosity. Growing up in a family of modest means, Edison's early life was marked by a strong sense of curiosity and a passion for learning. His mother, Nancy Matthews Elliott, played a significant role in nurturing his interest in science and mathematics, often reading to him from books on various subjects. This early exposure sparked a fire within Edison, driving him to experiment and explore the world around him. At the age of 7, he began working as a newsboy on trains, which not only provided him with a sense of independence but also gave him access to a vast network of people and ideas. The path to innovation. From telegraph operator to inventor, Edison's journey to becoming a renowned inventor began when he took a job as a telegraph operator at the age of experience. Recognizing the limitations of the existing technology, Edison began to experiment with improvements, eventually in a system that could transmit a message multiple message system that could transmit multiple message system. This early success caught the attention of investors who saw potential in the young inventor and provided him with the resources to pursue his next big project. The birth of the light bulb. A journey of trial and error. One of the most iconic inventions in history, the light bulb was the result of Edison's tireless efforts over a period of several years. Faced with numerous setbacks and failures, Edison persevered, driven by his conviction that a reliable and efficient lighting system was within reach. Using a combination of experimentation, observation, and collaboration, he developed a light bulb that could burn for hours using a carbon filament. The significance of this invention cannot be overstated, as it revolutionized the way people lived, worked, and interacted with each other. The Wizard of Menlo Park, a hub of innovation. In 1888, Edison established his famous laboratory in Menlo Park, New Jersey, which became a hub of innovation and creativity. Here he assembled a team of skilled engineers and researchers, providing them with the resources and freedom to pursue their ideas. The laboratory was a place of experimentation and collaboration, where Edison encouraged his team to think outside the box and push the boundaries of what was thought possible. It was during this period that he developed a range of groundbreaking inventions, including the phonograph, the motion picture camera, and the alkaline battery. The legacy of Thomas Edison, a lasting impact. Thomas Edison's impact on the world extends far beyond his numerous inventions. He embodied the spirit of innovation, demonstrating that with determination and hard work, anything is possible. His legacy serves as a reminder that creativity and perseverance can overcome even the most daunting challenges. As a pioneer in the field of electrical engineering, Edison paved the way for future generations of inventors and entrepreneurs, inspiring them to push the boundaries of what is possible. A final reflection: the enduring spirit of Thomas Edison. As we reflect on the life and legacy of Thomas Edison, we are reminded of the power of human ingenuity and the importance of perseverance. His story serves as a testament to the fact that even the most seemingly insurmountable obstacles can be overcome with determination and creativity. As we continue to navigate the complexities of the modern world, we would do well to draw inspiration from the life of this American icon, embracing the spirit of innovation and pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Thomas Edison's life was a journey of discovery, experimentation, and innovation, a testament to the power of human creativity and perseverance. As we look back on his remarkable achievements, we are reminded of the impact he had on the world and the lasting legacy he left behind. His story serves as a reminder that with determination and hard work, anything is possible, and that the boundaries of what is possible are constantly being pushed by the next generation and entrepreneurs.